Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my Robinhood portfolio. Hope you guys had an awesome day investing today. As always, not a lot of movement in the market today. S&P 500 was in the red, 0.16%. The Nasdaq was in the green, but only 0.01%. And the Dow 30 was down 16 points, 0.07%. You can see from my portfolio here, I was in the red quite a bit today, $424.33, representing 0.62% of my overall portfolio. I did rebound a little bit in after-hours trading there, $15.17, but that only represented 0.02% of my overall portfolio. And as we take a look at the daily graph here, there were a few gains here in the morning, but those were quickly lost here before noon. Was a little bit of a rebound here, but those gains were quickly lost again in later afternoon trading. And like I said, I ended the trading session down 0.62% today. As we take a look at my portfolio here, you can see all market sectors did trend down a bit here. You can see my ETFs up top, all in the red. My pharmaceutical stocks also had a little bit of a pullback today as well. Of note, Portola, that did extremely well yesterday and has been doing extremely well over the last few weeks to month. I did pull back here 1.62%, but still over the last week up 5.35%. Over the last month, 33.73%. In the last 3 months, 118.84%. So this has been playing out very, very well for me so far. And as I scroll further down my portfolio, you can see, again, most stocks here in the red. Of note, Ford did end the day in the green here, 0.47%. Just missed out on a trade with Ford here. I did have a limit sell in for about half my shares for $12.75. Unfortunately, it didn't quite get up to $12.75. And overall, I've been trading this stock with regards to swing trades, typically buying about $12.30 to $12.40, and then selling off lower 12.70s to $12.80. And that's been really consistent over the last 3 months or so. You can see here buying $12.40, selling off, right at $12.70 or so. It's been very, very consistent for me here. At times it does get a little bit above that, but for pretty predictable swing trades, buy about $12.30, $12.40, sell off $12.70 to $12.80 or so. Been very, very good for me over the last 3 months or so. And as I scroll further down my portfolio, you can see here, again, stocks in the red. Consumer discretionary didn't do too bad today, I suppose, as well as my financial stocks. Technology did okay as well. AMD did pull back here a bit, but it's had stellar performance like Portola over the last 3 months or so. You can see that here, 24.41% over the last year. Another stellar stock, 444.4%. So very, very good stock over the last 1 year. And as I scroll down to the bottom of my portfolio, I just kind of wanted to highlight one stock here that kind of want to solicit some opinions about with regards to buying, not BHK here, but Tesla Motors, TSLA. This is a stock I've been looking at for quite some time. Was going to buy it about 3 months ago or so, and unfortunately did not pull the trigger and buy any shares of this stock. But you can see here it's been trending up in a pretty aggressive fashion here, 32.27%. It does have a lot of things going on right now. Just built its Gigafactory, which is coming online. It has new models coming out of an affordable electric car. The Model 3 should be entering production later this year, early 2018, if the production cycle is able to be kept. Tesla is notorious for delaying its launches of its products, but if that car does come out on time, I can see this stock continuing to rise moving forward, as well as the Solar City acquisition and its power packs, and really it's becoming an energy supply company. Very interested to see how this stock plays out over the next few years, and I think it might be a great time to jump into this stock. But again, wanted to solicit your opinions on if you guys think this is a good play or not, if you guys are invested in Tesla. If so, why? If you guys are not in Tesla, tell me why as well. I'm thinking, again, about putting some capital into Tesla, actually a significant amount of capital. It kind of goes against my strategy of buying dividend stocks. This company is a new company. It's taking all of its capital and reinvesting back into the company. It actually had to do another capital raise for I think just over $1 billion this past week. So it's not going to be offering a dividend anytime soon. But again, it's got great growth potential, which would quickly outpace any potential dividends that it would be giving out. And again, a company that's growing does not give dividends. It reinvests all its capital back into the company. So yeah, let me know what you guys think about Tesla. Really would like to know your opinions on that. Again, I think I'm going to put some capital in. I might put some significant amount of capital in, kind of with Portola play. This portfolio here on Robinhood is kind of meant to be a learning platform, as well as doing a little bit of more risky plays than I do with my E-Trade account that I have the majority of my capital. But again, let me know what you guys are doing. And yeah, kind of with that, I'll end the video. As always, if you enjoyed my videos, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Building the channel. I hope you guys are learning as much as I have been learning. And until next video, we'll see you then.